So we have an Audi RS7 here. We did put wheels on this car some time ago, so now we put his stocks back on for a good reason. He's getting a very good upgrade regarding a car, so he's changing his car. That's why it is really important to keep your stock parts, whether it's wheels, body parts of the vehicle, anything that you take out, always keep it, because when it's time for a better upgrade, you can actually trade in your car and get a nicer car. You guys will be tuned. What am I doing? A tune here or something like that? So stay tuned for what this customer is getting next. You guys will see his next car. It's a big upgrade.
Alright guys, we got this really dope GLC63 behind me. These are really fun little sport SUVs. I don't even know what to call it. It's like an SUV, but it's also a sedan in one. We went ahead, we blacked it out. Did a lot. Actually, this car has a lot of chrome and silver on it. Now it doesn't anymore. Satin black wheels, powder coated, red pinstripe with a wrap, so it's reversible. Red brakes. All the emblems were ordered new and repainted in satin black. The grille, the window trims, all this stuff was wrapped up. This car had a lot of chrome and silver on it, so looks really dope. A little lowering as well, looks really nice. We have a little bit more to go with it. After that, we're gonna clean it up. Customer's gonna come, but brand new GLC63 with some little light aesthetic mods. Looks really amazing. Alright guys, we are pumping gas in the GLC63. We just finished it up. We didn't add any aftermarket parts, but we changed a lot. There was so much chrome on this vehicle, so when we did all the satin black out on it, it changed it completely. It's sitting on its stock wheels, but they're powder coated satin black, red lip, red painted calipers. The car's also lowered. We lowered it on little lowering links. Not too low, sits right. Really good looking little GLC, I think. Drives really nice. This is a good option for the guys that don't want a bigger SUV. It's an AMG, of course, so it's quick. You could tune these things, you can make them sound amazing. For some reason, all our customers bring their cars with no gas, so we end up having to put gas in there. That's a little trick I guess they've learned. If you do bring your car with no gas, you'll probably get gas, so don't do that though.
Wash the car, that's why.
We are going to the post office. We have with us maybe 400 to 500 masks. Some people ordered one, some people ordered up to 10. So we have a bunch of it in the back. We already shipped out another batch the other day, and we still have more to go. We're getting a lot of DMs, emails about their orders. Everything is going out this week. We currently ran out of packaging for all the masks. So we have the masks, which came in last week. We got about 2,000 masks in because we were well oversold out, and now we are out of packaging. So overwhelming response. Really appreciate you guys' support. We do have more packaging coming tomorrow, so we're gonna be shipping everything. All open orders are gonna go out this week. Mahab Sark is here to help me. He's not much help, but I'm gonna have him carry some stuff into the post office.
Whenever he needs my help, then he remembers me.
I don't remember you because you can't do anything.
Hello. See?
Yeah.
They can't do anything without me.
He's acting like he has a fake phone call right now.
And I handle 2 shops. Let me just relax a little bit. Is this a massage seat or no?
If anybody could relax more than you, they'd be at a spa all day.
This is a Mercedes. BMW has a massage seat. Mercedes doesn't have it. That's why it's Mercedes.
This is still nicer than your car.
No.
100%. Okay. You guys think this brand new G63 is not nicer than his fake M850i?
It's not a fake, it's a real M850.
But it's not. Why isn't it an M8?
That's the name of it, M850.
But it's not really an M, then why is there an M8? Why is there an M8 and why is there an M850i?
Okay, because Mercedes got a car AMG 43. So instead of...
Which makes no sense, still.
It does. Mercedes, so there's a Mercedes AMG 43.
Uh-huh.
So they took a car against Mercedes AMG 43.
So your car is comparable to AMG 43 from
Yes.
Mercedes?
Yes. That's normal. There's a 63, there's a M8. There's a, that's why there's the 63S, there's
Okay,
M8
but your car is a wannabe M8.
It's real.
It's a wannabe M8.
It's not. It's
a
not
wannabe
fake.
M8.
It's real. It's from BMW.
But it's a wannabe M8.
No, that's the thing. It's not,
Yes.
That's why it says M.
Yes.
850.
Okay, but see how come if you take the 50i out and it's just M8?
No, it's a $143,000 car.
And now they lease for $1,000 a month.
There is no way.
We are actually currently in a 2020 Mercedes-Benz G63. We do a lot of these cars. This car was gloss black and the customer wanted to do satin black. We just did another one satin black a few weeks ago, and we did it again on this one. We do a lot of satin blacks on the G-Wagons, but the new G-Wagon is still going over sticker, which is crazy. It's a beautiful car and whatnot, but it's almost the same price as a Urus when you count in the over sticker, which to me is a no-brainer. Urus over this car any day. What do you think?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but any car over your car, that's for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
That M8 you drove, did you get excited? Like, oh wow, this is a real car. I drive a fake M every day.
Bro, it's not fake. I didn't change any emblems. It's a $140,000 car. How's it fake?
I'm not saying it's a fake car.
So if you
But
want
it's
to
a
think that way,
wannabe
okay.
M.
So back in the days, there was like M3.
Yeah, there was no M850i.
There was.
There was not even.
There was an 8 Series back
Okay,
in
yeah,
the days.
8 Series, but
and
not
they discontinued.
Okay, how come all these years, like the M3, how come there's no M330i?
I will explain to you. So
Or
they
M335i.
Okay, so they did came out with 335 IS. My car
And
is
your car's slow.
$143,000.
This car's faster than your car.
It's not. My car is $143,000.
Okay, but then they're
the
selling
M8,
it.
basic M8.
But now you
coupe-
could go to the dealer, they'll take like $20,000 off the sticker of your car.
No.
Yeah. Yes, for sure.
No, not
Nobody
anymore.
wants your car.
No one's gonna take $20,000 on the car.
Yeah, because they can't sell that car.
Program is different.
Why would anybody buy your car over an M8?
Because some people cannot afford M8, so they buy M850.
But if you could afford $143,000, you can't afford another like $20,000.
Okay, there's a no. Okay, I will explain to you. So my car, when it came out first, there was no M8.
Oh, okay.
So first, when the 8 Series
Okay,
came,
but then the M8 came and it basically f***ed you up.
no, bro, I'm paying more than M8, and you don't know how to drive.
What am I doing that makes you think I don't know how to drive?
You're punching
I'm
it,
going
and there's a
straight-
car in front of you,
Okay.
so you don't punch it.
Oh yeah, really, Mr. Let's go to the movies and I'll drive through traffic like.
And I won,
Yeah.
guys. So this is it's a true story. Me
Don't-
driving a 3 Series.
That's not a true
He
story.
was
This
driving
is-
a Lamborghini. I passed him. He couldn't catch me for 5 minutes. We can ask Moses.
Yeah.
5 minutes he
I
couldn't catch
don't
me because he
race
was
cars
traffic.
in traffic.
Because if you're a good driver,
You just made fun of me that there's a car in front of me and I don't know how to drive,
Yeah.
but you're racing in traffic.
that's if you want to see how good you are.
Okay, you're not
Because
in
of the
Russia. Relax.
no, because of the maneuvering, it shows how good you are. How can you handle in traffic?
Okay.
In open roads, everyone can race.
Oh my god.
And the traffic, not everyone can race.
You can't do anything.
Oh,
It's scared.
All that talking, I punch you one time, you get scared.
no, I'm just not scared. Just You're punching it and the car doesn't go.
What do you mean it doesn't go?
My car is faster than this. It's 4 seconds.
He knows all the times. His brain calculates the 0-60 of every car. All right, we're here.
Are they gonna let us in or no? Because we don't have a mask.
Oh shit! Just put your shirt over your face and just dump it real fast.
See what you did?
Oh, idiot!
You were punching me. You forgot that was stopping.
That lady didn't have a mask on. So,
we're good.
but where do you dump it? Oh my god.